G'day you mob, how's it going? Welcome to this episode of Aussie English. I am your host Pete, and this is another episode in the Aussie Slang series. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the slang term, the slang expression in Australian English, the Aussie salute. The Aussie salute. Okay, so a salute would be when you do this, right? To salute someone, usually it's in the sort of, the realm of the army, the navy. It's sort of paying your respects to your senior officer, right? The people above you, you salute them. You might salute people who are also on your level, but a salute is that kind of movement. Now, we have a sort of joke in Australia when you see people outside, usually in summer, often in rural areas or maybe, central Australia where there's a lot of desert, there's a lot of bush, there's a lot of flies. You'll see people doing this movement all the time to get the flies out of their face. So Australia is one of these continents where we have a lot of bugs, and flies in particular are very invasive. They want to get moisture from your skin, from your eyes, from your mouth, especially in dry parts of Australia. So a very stereotypical thing is seeing Aussies moving their hands like this to get flies out of their face, and that's why we call it the Aussie salute. Don't forget, guys, if you want to check out the word Aussie, I'll link that above here so that you can go and watch that episode. And also that there are other episodes. There's a second episode that I release every single week that is for paid members of the Premium Podcast or Academy memberships. You can get access to them up here above, or you can go down below to join up there and get a bunch of more and get a whole heap more Australian English content to study and level up your English skills. Anyway, I'm your host Pete. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you next week.